Happy Sunday morning. Sophie and I are on our way to the doggy park. And as you can see, Her Majesty found her some shade to walk in. Which she always does. Okay, I'll talk to you when we get over to the doggy park. Okay, we made it to the doggy park. And I got my umbrella because the sun is pretty bright today. And I'm going to keep my mask on because our air quality here in the desert is terrible from all those fires that are raging in California. And yesterday, oh my God, it was even worse yesterday than it was today. I walked out and it looked like it was foggy. That's how bad the smoke was here yesterday. But we have a nice breeze going on, so I can still see a little bit of smoke, but not as bad as it was yesterday. So that's a good thing. But my windows will stay closed today. And it's supposed to be about 107, I believe, today, or 109, somewhere around there. So, yeah, this is a good day to stay in. And I feel like eating some Indian food. I've been craving Indian food. I was watching a video the other night. And now I'm craving Indian food. So I'm probably going to make me some tandoori chicken today for dinner. And just take it easy. This is my rest my mind day. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do today. Make me something good to eat and rest my mind. And I hope you do the same. And there's Her Majesty over there checking out everything. And they still haven't started working on the doggy park yet to restore it back to where it was. And Sophie, get out the sun. Come under over here. Come over here. Get underneath the umbrella. Yeah, stay there. Sit down. Sit on your bums. But like I was saying, I had a meeting with the apartment manager the other day, and she said that the excavation or some type of, it wasn't excavation, maintenance people, or, landscapers, that's what the word I was trying to look for, landscapers. They're probably going to have to come out and, level off some of this ground because you could see where the mud just kind of ran from uphill to all the way down here, and when it got down this way, it pretty much wiped out everything in its path. I mean, that's how strong Mother Nature is. So don't play with Mother Nature. She is not the one. But the doggy park is still pretty tore up, and Her Majesty is still not happy with it, but you know what, it is what it is. And I keep telling her they're going to fix it. And look at her going over there inspecting. Look at Her Majesty over there. She keeps, that is her tree, and she's like, when are they going to fix my tree? She's over there sunning herself. And she's a trip. Sophie, aren't you hot? Are you hot over there? She's like, no, I'm good, Mom. I'm good. I love that little fur bucket. Good morning. It is Monday morning, and it's glorious. No smoke in the air today. It's nice and hot and toasty, like it is every summer day. I am on my way to the manager's office to sign my vacate papers out of my old place, and I'm moving into a new place. Much nicer place. The place I'm in now is nice, but there's a few issues with some crazy neighbors, and I'm not having it, so I'm moving. Okay, I'll talk to you when I get back. And today I am cooking tandoori chicken for lunch. I was going to cook it last night, but I got busy doing something else. So let me get my butt in this office, and I'll talk to you later. My chicken has been in the fridge overnight, and it's going to be super good. When I remove that plastic, oh my God, it smelled up the whole kitchen. And I'm going to put it on a pan here that I have lightly greased. And then from here it's going to go into a hot scorching oven for about maybe 3-4 minutes, just long enough to get some char on it. And then I'm going to reduce the heat down to 350 and let it cook slowly. Actually, I'm going to reduce it down to 325 because my oven cooks super hot. Alright, so let me get started here. Tandoori chicken is normally made with boneless, skinless thighs. I have skinless thighs, but they have bones in them. And I'm going to use wings. I had some extra wings in my freezer, so I'm going to do some wings this time. Should be really good. Oh my God, the smell is incredible. Oof. I have quite a bit of marinade left, and after I use what I'm going to use, I'm going to discard the rest of it because you don't want to reuse this on anything else. Okay, I used just about all of it. From here it's going to go into a scorching hot oven. It'll be about 400 for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's Monday afternoon. I'm on my way down to my garage to get some boxes so I can start packing. And yeah, it's 100 some odd degrees. And I'm getting ready to start crawling around in my garage. I know, I need mental help. I really do. And a big old bottle of wine. And here's my little helper. Sophie, you gonna help me get the boxes? She says, I don't know, Mom. Whew. Hot. Okay, this is my garage. And don't judge. It's too hot to be crawling around in here right now to reorganize, but that's gonna be my project for the fall. So for now, all that stuff's going to stay just like it is. Most of the stuff back there is my catering stuff. So I need to get that organized. And there's stuff way back over there. But hey, it is what it is. I'll do it when I do it. When it cools out, but not right now. Okay, here's the first batch of boxes. And I'm so thankful and grateful that I kept all my boxes. I bet you I got 100 boxes underneath all this stuff here. And because I knew I wasn't going to stay in the place where I currently am indefinitely. So I wanted to make sure that everything was where I can get to it and where I can get up out of here. Yeah, but anyway, okay, so ready? Ready, so? Sophie goes, yeah, I've been ready. Okay. Just took my tandoori chicken out the oven and it looks and smells amazing. I'm going to let it rest for a minute. Get set up, get myself washed up because I just got back from my garage, so I'm hot and sweaty. Get cleaned up. All right, so I'll meet you back here in a minute. Okay, I'm back. It's finally lunchtime. I came back and wiped off a little bit. Took my hat off. It's hot out there. It's only 105 today. Here's my water. I'm having water. You got to stay hydrated here in the desert. Whew. My goodness. Cheers. Don't ask me why I am moving in the middle of August. Well, my lease was up the end of July, so I had to move. And for my efforts today, remember that fruity wine that I bought the other day? This one, let me see here. There it is. That one. It's really, really good. And don't pay any attention to this. I have a green screen behind me here, so everything is going to look kind of weird. But this is what it looks like. Like that. And it's super good. It really is good. And you saw my flyover. I'm not going to show you what I got on my plate because the green screen is going to turn it weird. This is the best part. Oh, yeah. Cheers to my moving. Ooh, is that good? That's my new favorite. I was for a while there. I was on a hook. I was on a kick of mimosas. So this is my new change. Mmm. This tandoori chicken is the bomb.com. I served it with some peas, some green peas, and some savory rice pilaf. Not rice pilaf, but last time I made it, I served it with rice pilaf. This time I made it with baked orzo, which is super good, and it has mushrooms and all kinds of stuff in the baked orzo. And if you want to see the recipe to that, let me know and I will post it. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this all day long. Cheers. You want the first bite? Here. This is our first dinner together. I normally cook it, and you guys watch me cook it, but we never sit down and have lunch together. Cheers to this chicken. Tandoori chicken. It is the bomb.com. When I first had it at the Indian restaurant that my friends took me to, it was really flavorful. But some Indian foods is really, really super hot with the spice. And I don't do super hot. Oh, that's so good. That is super, super good. So the next couple of weeks, guys, this is going to be my cleaning lady attire. Because I'm packing up and, got to get everything ready to go. And I'm shooting for a move-out date of the 15th. And today's only the 9th, so I don't have much time. Cheers. I have no idea where the beagle is. She's normally sitting back there on her bed. Tandoori chicken is usually made with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. But I made a lot of it, so I'm going to have to cook for a couple of days because I knew I was going to be busy. Oh, look, see? This is what the green screen does. This is what I'm eating. But that rude, disrespectful green screen does this. Anything green, it turns it a strange color. So don't think that I'm eating anything weird. I promise. See? You want a bite? Here, take a bite right there. That's your bite. I am super excited to get moved. And I'm going to have a much better kitchen setup. My studio / office will be the same size. And I'm moving into a much bigger place. And the kitchen is a little bit bigger. And hopefully, when I transfer all of my utilities over, I won't have to wait as long for my cable service like I did when I moved here. It was almost 3-4 months before I got my cable. But then again, I moved that time right in the middle of all that stuff going on with COVID. So how's everything in you all's part of the world? I imagine it's crazy like it is here, right? We are really crazy here. I knew that was going to happen. I absolutely knew it. I have friends that are super mad at me because I'm not doing company yet. Not until some of this stuff is kind of settled down a little bit. So I stay really close to my house. I don't go anywhere unless I absolutely have to, like I did the other day when I went to the store. I have my groceries delivered, so I don't have to go out to the store. Got that off anyway. I pay all my bills online. So I really don't have to go anywhere to do anything. And the other day when I went to the store to get that stuff for Sophie, there's always somebody in the store and they're arguing with a manager or somebody because they're not allowed in the store without a mask. Now, there's signs all over the place. As soon as you walk in, before you walk in, there's a sign outside the door that you have to have on a mask in order to enter the store. And invariably, there's always somebody in somebody's face growling because they don't want to wear a mask. That's what I was telling you the other day, that I don't like going to the store because people are stupid. Cheers to that. And I have water with slices of cucumber. Like that. Slices of cucumber in it. Very refreshing. So I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in a couple days, or whenever I do something exciting. How exciting is moving, right? But if you're new to my channel, welcome. Cheers to you, and thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and the thumbs up button. And hitting the thumbs up button will let YouTube know that you enjoyed the video and the channel. And I hope you come back. And to all my old subscribers, not to call you old or anything, but you know what I'm talking about. You've been with me a while. Are you enjoying the vlogs? Because I figured it would be kind of cool to incorporate the vlogs with a little bit of cooking. And when I start doing my sausage, I'll just do those all in one video with no vlogs on it. So you'll have both kinds of videos. But I hope you're enjoying the vlogs, because I really enjoy doing them. Me and Sophie, my little sidekick. I'm gonna go so I can finish my lunch, and I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers.